Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Shane in Michigan on his Cobra 29 LTD Classic. As you can see, it's pink. This is the Cancer Awareness Bright Pink Limited Edition. I came out with these a couple years ago, and I just had a couple left, and Shane called me up, said his wife was looking for one, so we fixed her right up. So let's get right to it. 5-watt slug. We set it up just a hair under 3 watts. Little 5-watt slug in the corner average. 50-watt slug PEP. Good 34 peak. Alright Shane, I think your wife's going to enjoy this radio. Beautiful radios, unless you just hate pink. So I hope you enjoyed it. Check out our website if you haven't already at truckcbsales.com, and make sure you click that subscribe button on YouTube. Have a good evening from your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.